Hello and welcome to This Week in Engineering.
Brought to you by engineering.com.
Dark Energy Camera Online. The Dark Energy Camera from the U.S. National Optical Astronomy Observatory has taken first light. A key part of the Dark Energy Survey collaboration, the camera will try to answer why the expansion of the universe is speeding up, one of the biggest mysteries of astrophysics. The Dark Energy Camera was constructed at the Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory in Illinois and mounted on the Victor M. Blanco telescope in Chile. The camera's array of 62 charged coupled devices is especially sensitive to red light, and when combined with the rest of the Blanco telescope, will be able to study galaxy clusters, supernovae, large-scale galaxy clumping, and weak gravitational lensing, all at the same time. The Dark Energy Survey will study 1/8 of the sky over a period of 5 years.
Turbulence Avoidance System. The National Center for Atmospheric Research has developed a system to provide pilots with the turbulence data so they can avoid the potentially dangerous areas, and the system has now been cleared for use in the US. The system is a network of wind measuring instruments with software that interprets rapidly changing wind patterns. The system was commissioned in July for the Juneau International Airport in Alaska and is now being adapted for other airports known for turbulence, such as those in mountainous regions in the western US. But turbulence is how I get my thrills. I guess I'll have to ride my dressage horse over cobblestone during an earthquake.
Reusing waste heat. Roughly 2/3 of the energy we consume is wasted as heat, and thermoelectric materials, which could convert the heat to electricity, are not yet practical, but are becoming more efficient. Scientists rate thermoelectric materials by the ZT scale, which incorporates the preferably high electrical conductivity and preferably low heat conductivity. A ZT value of 2 is roughly 12 to 15% efficient, similar to industrial photovoltaics. And new nanostructures have enabled ZT scores of up to 1.8 at 750 to 900 Kelvin. I say, why convert heat to volts? Just reuse the heat. That's why I run my car's radiator water through espresso grounds after my morning commute. Tastes like dizzy.
Martian riverbed. Mars Science Laboratory's Curiosity rover has now returned clear evidence of flowing water. A photograph of a jagged rock slab flecked with round gravel pieces. NASA scientists are convinced that the gravel, too heavy to be carried by the Martian winds, were deposited by a stream running about 3 feet per second, somewhere between ankle deep and hip deep. The water flowed from a channel in Gale Crater known as Peace Vallis, where it spread out into an alluvial fan, and the number of channels suggested it flowed for thousands or perhaps millions of years.
Maternity climbing gear. Teresa Delphin, an anthropologist, rock climber, and outdoor enthusiast, had trouble finding outdoor clothing to wear when she got pregnant. So she founded Mountain Mama, and now the company has teamed up with equipment maker Mad Rock to develop the first ever rock climbing harness for pregnant women. The adjustable harness features padded leg loops and an open belly, and is expected to be available early next year. Pregnant ladies, I'm glad you're active and all, but stop making me look bad. First you passed me in a fun run, now summiting El Capitan? Fine, I'm taking up competitive limbo. Your move.
Washing machine shower. 4 industrial design students from Turkey have designed the Wash It, a shower equipped with a small washing machine. The system uses the water from the shower's drain, known as gray water, runs it through a carbon, organic, and chemical filters, cleans it with UV rays, and then sends it into a tank where it can do a load of laundry. The designers have won an IF Concept Design Award and are now working on a prototype. You call that gray water? Not after my day of cleaning septic systems, deboning chickens, and then reading YouTube comments. That's a filthy job. Fine, they're Lego bricks. Jeez. Well, that's it for This Week in Engineering. For more information about these stories, check out the links in the description section.
Let us know what you think in the comments and tell your friends about the show. All right, engineers, let's get back to work.